In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Canva. Whether you're crafting a presentation, designing an infographic, or creating any engaging content, bullet points are a simple way to organize information and make it visually appealing. If you've been navigating Canva and wondering how to incorporate this feature, you're in the right place. First, open your Canva project and navigate to the page or document where you want to include bullet points. Click directly on the text box you'll be working with. Activating the text box is an important first step because it allows you to access all of Canva's editing features. Next, look at the toolbar at the top of the Canva interface. You'll see options like font styles, sizes, and alignment. Among these is the bullet icon. It looks like a small list. Click this icon to activate bullet points. If you don't immediately see the bullet icon, don't worry. On smaller screens, some options are hidden under the three dots menu. Click that and you'll find the bullet option there. Once activated, you'll see bullets appear before each line of text. As you continue typing and press enter, Canva will automatically generate new bullet points for you. This makes it easy to create lists, outline steps in a process, or highlight key points you want your audience to focus on. For customization, you can adjust font type, size, and even spacing, just like you would with any regular text in Canva. This helps the bullets align with your overall design theme. A quick tip: always preview your design before finalizing it. This ensures your bullet points are properly aligned and consistent throughout the layout. Remember, bullet points aren't just about aesthetics. They improve readability and make your content easier to follow. And that wraps up today's tutorial on adding bullet points in Canva. Use these steps the next time you design, and you'll see how such a simple tool can make your work more organized and impactful.